The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melonē.
Hi everyone, it's Sophia Melonē, the Debt Demolisher, here to bring you the tools, tips, and tricks to help you manage your financial baggage the right way. In today's episode, I want to share with you guys the importance of reminding yourself when you're on the journey that you can do it. So many times where we are in the situation where we are working our way out of a situation that we no longer want to be in, or if we're in the space where we want to improve our lives overall, there will be moments and there will be times where we will feel like we will come across a hurdle. We will feel like we will fall into a dip. We will feel like there is just so much to do and we may not want to move forward. Sometimes it may feel like it is impossible. But what I want to share with you all today is to remember that if you can do it, if anyone else can do it, so can you. You have to remind yourself, you have to encourage yourself, you have to be willing to let yourself know that it is possible. Why is it possible? Because of the one you serve and the one who is in you to keep you moving forward and progressing towards whatever that idea is that was planted inside of you. I have an inspirational calendar that's on my desk, and it's something that I refer to almost every day. When I come to my desk and I go to my computer and I'm working on projects and I'm recording YouTube videos and I'm preparing for my live streams and I'm responding to emails and I'm helping clients and preparing for clients, there is an inspirational calendar that sits at my desk. And this inspirational calendar serves as a tool to help remind me to stay focused on the journey in which I am doing. Today's inspirational quote was, "Get out of your own way." Get out of your own way. This is something that oftentimes we cause ourselves. We get into our own way as opposed to getting out of our way so that we can move forward. Now, what constitutes us getting in our own way? It's the conversations that we say to ourselves inside of our mind. It's the things that we tell ourselves when we say, "I can't do this," or "this won't happen," or "this is impossible. There is no way." We have to be careful about the conversations that we are instilling within ourselves, because the very negative conversations that you are instilling in yourself is the very thing that's causing you to be in your own way. And when you on a journey to realizing that you can do it too, you have to be able to overcome those things that may come in your way so that you can get out of your way, especially if you are the one that's placing that way in your way. So my challenge and my word to you on today, there is excitement in you. There is a goal in you. There is something that you want to achieve for the greater good of your life, for the life of your family, for the life of your legacy, and for the life of the impact that you want to leave on this planet. Life was breathed inside of you for a reason. You have breath because you have a purpose. You have a purpose that is designed to be fulfilled. And you cannot allow your small thinking, your negative thinking, your apprehensive thinking to stand in the way of your purpose, to stand in the way of your goal, to stand in the way of the provision that is right before your eyes. We have to tell ourselves to get out of our own way. I can be honest with you all. There were a few coworkers that I asked a specific question to related to how they saw me in terms of their experience in working with me on my job. What would they say were my strongest characteristics? And when some of the people responded and shared this insight with me, I was surprised. Grateful yet surprised. But then when I asked them what was one thing that they feel that I could do better to take me to the next level, the one thing that I could do better that would take me to my next level, what would that be? There was one response that I will never forget. And that one response was, get out of your own head. Get out of your own head. And in other words, that's get out of your own way. Because when you are in your own head, that means you are toiling over something in your mind and it is causing you not to move forward. Instead, it's causing you to cycle in an idle state. You are not progressing. You are remaining idle. So whenever you begin to see yourself in a space of dancing back and forth, should I do this? Oh no, I shouldn't do this. Oh no, this isn't going to be good enough. Oh no, they're going to think this. Oh no, this is not going to be as grand as I thought it would be. Oh, someone else is doing this. Let me tell you, get out of your own head. Get out of your own way. Because you are holding back on your greatest purpose by doing so. You have the power to control your thinking. You have the power to control your thinking. Control your thinking and get out of your own way. Control your thinking and tell yourself the positive, I can do this. I want you to repeat after me. I can do this. I can do this. As you see, I have my palms up because I want you to know that it's time for you to go. And when you see my fist balled up in this manner, I'm closing it in because I'm telling you to come on. I'm telling you, let's go. I'm telling you, let's get into this work. I'm telling you to get out of your own way. I'm telling you to believe in yourself. I'm telling you that you have the anointing. I'm telling you that you have the skill. I'm telling you that you have the provision. I'm telling you that you got that sauce. And because you have that sauce, and because God planted that sauce within you, you have an obligation, you have a duty, you have a responsibility to execute. So when you go into the space of execution, you need to tell yourself, I can too. My encouragement to you today is you can too. Do not allow the excuses. Do not allow the mind. Do not allow the negative thinking of the mind keep you in the space of idleness. Because someone is waiting for your passion, someone is waiting for your skill, and someone is waiting for that very anointed gift that you have. Don't let your heart be troubled. Don't let fear keep you in the space of complacency. Don't allow the negative thinking to keep you stuck. Don't operate in fear, operate in boldness. Don't operate in fear, operate in boldness. Why? Because fear doesn't go with your outfit. Fear doesn't go with your blueprint. Fear doesn't go with the plan that God has for your life. So my challenge to you today is to remind yourself that you can too. So if you're ready, let's go.
The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melone. The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia